Hey, I told you about it. I told you about
again.
Anyway, I know. Yes. By the way, let me tell you. People are very lucky here. You're very lucky here. Let me tell you, I don't have time there. We to a waffle. To China would
the one way you are.
That's the fact. I'm telling you. Let me tell you. You done with tea? Waiter!
Yes, sir.
Let me tell you the problem. They are so slow. People here.
Yes, sir.
Waiter! But you're too slow. You're too slow. Whenever I call you on the dot, tap, you are there. On the top, you are there. Okay? Yes. People work. Yes.
No one wangu wenda bukujeja nga tomanyi.
How?
Omwe wenda tomulya wabwerwe mwabadde twaberede mununga bujira.
Oh.
Wewe wabadde bujeja.
I know. Let me tell you. Let me ask you. Is it hot enough? Is it hot enough? Is it hot? I don't know. She's
bakusunga.
What is kusunga? Kusunga is what?
Okusunga it is what?
Yes.
Ate nawe totuleta kokajjana.
No, because I know she's just happy. By the way, waiter.
Sebo, moja pia ngodzeye.
By the way, what you have because I already see people in jam, traffic jam all the time. Mukoladi, when do people work?
Baba bagendera ku mirimu. Era sebo tutuka ku mirimu.
Hey, what time?
Okuva buchango ja tuyinayo twatambudde ne tutatuka.
Yes, but we take a lot of jam and because this stuff
is
too hot.
Obude tugenda tusooka tubupima. Omanya abantu tuyagala genda okusaawa emu. Sandika olugendo ku 12.
Ah, really?
Yesawa gifise ya jam.
I know.
Akati esawa tugitemu emirundi ebiri. Edakiika 3 za jam, edakiika 3 za binya.
Yes, I was asking, do you have a hot dog? Hot dog. Do you have a
hot dog?
How do you call it? Over. Oh.
Kati gobadde ngagamba kedo.
No. But your tea is good, okay? What do you put there? What spices do you put in the tea?
Mulimu ebirungo bingi tutekamu akatangawuzi akadalasi
n'akakola.
Wow. Kakora. Then what's kakora?
Akajaja.
Hey! Oh yeah, really? Oh, it was too hot, you know. I enjoyed it. But I'll give you tip. Mupe tip na makuchusanja. I'll give you. Mupe tip.
Okay.
I will show you tip. I do appreciate. Yes. She's smiling.
Smiling and I kusunga.
No way. I'm just happy. Yeah, but by the way, let me ask you. Bobo ya kula kula. Njagula kuno emeji twala ngagebera nyama ngeri mundagala nga ojja musupale mundagala. That one.
Oyagala kulya ki?
Enemere nga nyama eri mundagala eyo. That one. It was so sweet.
Oluwombo.
That one oluwombo. Oh,
Musa.
Judy.
Oh
Oh
my God.
my God. I feel like putting you up. Long time. Wow. I was in the UK. Who do you tell you fine? 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago I was here. 2 weeks. Yeah. How are you? Boy, you're looking good. By the way, you're putting on weight now. Yeah. Judith, I remember.
Linda,
Judith, your second.
Judith.
Yes, I will give.
Ochimanyi ateze bate simujjukira.
Yes, she's the one. Carmen. 2 weeks. 2 weeks back. Mazokuja one. 2 weeks. No, Samanya. But by the way, we have to go to Chalo. We don't get a Chalo. I want to meet these people in Chalo. How is Chalo? Really? Really? Wow! I was excited. Excuse me, what do you want to eat? Oh no. You know, tambula fena ngo.
Ngaka mayine enkolagana
No,
eyenjalo.
you used to do this kubaka thing. Did you?
Yeah, of course.
And the other one exercise. You do exercise. Go only fit when gymnastics.
Yes.
You do.
Yeah.
Banange. Michael jali mchalo. Oh, yes. I know. Oh, sorry. Balibatia. Waliwo mzee bamitanga Busurwa that Busurwa mzee. He's there. Really? They asked me. Yes, I'm fine. What's that? No. Is it just city? No. Muwe. But do you have chicken? Do you have chicken? Fried chicken? Yes, bakwe chicken. Bakwe chicken. Yes, chicken. Bakwe chicken. Yes, chicken and mutele kone sausages. Then tukone wagami hot dog yawedo. Oh, sorry. Hey, oh no. You said Michael is there. No, I'm packing it. Pack two. Make 2 packs, okay? Make 2 packs. Account on me, okay? You put all the bills on me, okay? Yeah. Oh no, I'm so happy to see you. Wow, winter. You see, that's why we're back here. Now it's winter in UK, so it's said to come for summer in Africa. You see, in Africa, it's always summer. That's why I come here. It's always summer. People, by the way, people are very lucky. When they one way, it's summer. The problem is one. You want from Sana,
Atmosphere.
The atmosphere is not so simple, and because in the time that we have to work money, there's a lot of snow, and in the time of snow, other people don't work. So katigafa abaina wafe.
Moses. This is Moses.
Yes. Yes, really. Yes. And by the tell them nzijia. Yes, I have to come.
Do you know gendo kulaba omusajja?
Oh, the other one who called us. We're reading right now. Excuse me.
Yes.
Where? Bring my bill. Let a bill yangi. Yes. Let me tell you people here. When I come here, do you not get time to kumula? Okay. So when I see people like you here, I'm happy. My family, my friends, my hobby, my orgies, my cabinet.
Yes.
I'm so happy. Yes. This is how much? Okay, fine. No problem. Patrick, what you do? Clear this. Let me tell you. You people, you're very lucky.
Moses.
Yes.
Ekyamazi mashina osente ziweddewo.
Ngenda kusikudiza sinagenda sinakyusa sente ngenda muwenja kuwa.
Kati muweziruwa.
Muwenja kuwa sinakyusa sente.
Muweziruwa ziweddewo.
No.
Moses buchango janze infulumya sente. Buchango oguze poloti nsasudo wa poloti nga tonnakyusa. Buli kyoyagala kyonna ayipe tonnakyusa.
Ngenda kuwa nkyusiza
sinakyusa. Naye kati tonnakyusa zange ziweddewo. Wiki bbiri namba tonnakyusa. Sente lwaki tokyusa nawe?
300. Bagambye asatu meka? Forex bureau. The problem is I don't have cash on me, but I have a Visa card. So, and this
later tugende.
No, it's a Visa card.
Forex bureau.
No, it's a Visa card. I can't. There's no way. You see, it's a Visa card. So, Muwe, I'll give you. Alternatively,
Visa card. Yeah.
Judith, what you do? Muwe. How much is this? Is it maker? Yes.
And a Visa card ngandaba Barclays.
Hey, yes, that's my those are my bank cards.
Wale wafe Barclays tekyaliwo.
Temulina. Hey, ndamulabye. You see, you people, you're backward. Let me tell you, mumuli mabega nyo. Ewafe, it works everywhere. You get a Visa card, you put everywhere. You use the Visa card, ewafe.
Ebyo tebikyatugasa. Salamagezo mukazi muwe sente. Tugende tuvene wano nze nko.
No, what you do, give me my card. There's a lot of money here. A lot of money ku Visa card. You see, you have to, it's delicate, okay? You have to keep it proper. Judith, what you do?
No, bill yange badde kono mama because zenale nzene sente.
Yes, yeah, it's me. But what's never kuchusa? It's never kuchusa. Ogami tulaba ziweddewo. Judith, what you do? Muwe nja kudiza amazo kuchusa. Okay? Muwe nja kudiza. Actually, muwe zafe zona muwe unakuwa ngatumazo kuchusa. Kama zo kuchusa.
Nange sirinamu.
No, malo kuchusa.
Moses sinawe.
But you see, the problem is one. It's not a problem, there's not money.
The problem njagala sente.
Yes, so
before I start mugumisi sente ento.
Kamalo kuchusa.
Okuchusa
from dollars to Wait.
Mukulu.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Mukulu.
Look.
In a restaurant, see a jajao, see a family.
I'm from the UK. Wait.